Hello students, welcome to Sauras's classes. This is the second video on GMAT. Okay, it's the next one. So this is your question number 6. In the previous video we had done till question number 5. Okay, so let's continue from here. So let's go ahead and understand the question. It says a rhombus ABCD of side 6 has a perpendicular line ED. Although this might not look like a rhombus, but let me tell you, the diagrams are not drawn to scale, okay? But if it's written as it is a rhombus, then it is a rhombus. So ED intersecting the side AB, what is the area of the trapezoid BCDE? That means you have to find the area of this trapezoid, okay? Area of this part. Alright. So let us understand this question. Let us quickly understand this question. Okay. Alright, let's start. First condition is given to you that AE by EB is equals to 1:1. That means this is a rhombus, that means this is 6. This is 6. This is 6. And this is 6. So if you think about the first condition, AE by EB is equals to 1/1, which implies it is 3/3, right? This part is also 3 and this part is also 3. Alright, so this is the first part we've got. Now see, what is BCD? What is BCD? It's a trapezium, right? Trapezium. What is the formula for the area of a trapezium? Is half into sum of parallel sides into the height of the trapezium. And what is the height of the trapezium? ED is the height of the trapezium. So let's find ED. So in triangle AED by Pythagoras, I'm just writing PYTHA. So AD square, that is actually 6 square, is equal to ED square plus 3 square. So that is 6 square, that is 36 minus 9. You can also do in another way. You can also do this way, like it becomes 6 square minus 3 square. So you can write it as 6 plus 3 and 6 minus 3. Okay, sorry about this. One second. Yeah, now it's okay. There is a button on the pen that actually gets pressed and then suddenly, the writing starts coming out on its own. But anyways, so let's do 36 minus 9. So that is what? ED square. So how much is it going to be? Tell me. So what are you going to get? So we are going to get here 27, that is ED, root over of 27. Okay, you can split this. This becomes 9 3s are 27. So 9 comes out as a 3 out of the root sign, and the 3 is left. So that is my ED. Now let's find the area. So the area is equals to half into sum of the two parallel sides, that is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 into the height, that is 3 root 3. So again that has happened. One sec, scroll down. Okay, now it will not happen. So anyways, I shouldn't press the button. So half into 9 into 3 root 3. So then what will come from there? Hence it's going to be now, so A will be equals to 27 root 3 by 2. So isn't the first condition sufficient enough to prove this? Yes, the first condition is sufficient. So you can write first condition is enough. Okay, the first condition is enough. Let's go on to our next question. The next question is little off the screen. hold on, let's bring it back to screen. Yeah, it says a line in the coordinate plane at a point 1, 4. A line segment in the coordinate plane begins at a point 1, 4. That's what it's saying. So coordinate plane means xy axis. So 1, 4 means x axis 1 and y axis say 4. This is 4, this is 1. So the point begins from somewhere over here. Okay. And then continues past both the x and the y axis. If the product of its x-intercept and y-intercept is negative, which of the following equations could intersect with the line segment mentioned? Now see, in order to find y-intercept, what do you have to do? You have to let x equal to 0. In order to find x-intercept, you have to let y equal to 0. So let's just do that. Over here we cannot do, so these two options are gone away. From here, here and here we have to check. So the first one, let y is equal to 0. Then what will be, so 0 is equal to 1 point, just look at it, then you'll understand, plus 10. So minus 10 is equals to minus 1.25x. So cancel out. So 10 divided by 1.25 is equal to x. So x is coming positive, so this is not possible. This is gone away. It has to come negative because the product is coming negative, the intercepts product. Next one, y is equal to 0 again. So 0 is equal to 1.25x plus 10, then minus 10 by 1.25 is equal to x. So this is correct. This one, let's check the other one. So 0 is equal to 0.1x plus 6, then minus 6, okay, that was minus 0.1 is equal to minus 0.1x. Then you can understand it's not coming negative. 0.1 is equal to x, so this is also not possible. So this is not possible, this is not possible, that's not possible, only the D. So the answer for this one, for the question number 7, is going to be D. Now let's go on to the last question actually for this part. It's a quite lengthy question. It's a big question to understand. Okay, it says that in the diagram, okay, the diagram is given to you. In the diagram below, there are 4 circles intersect each other at a point tangent to the centers, forming a shaded region. You can see the shaded region in black. The line BD has a length 8 root 2. What is the area of the shaded region? Very simple. The line BD, okay, let's draw the line BD. Okay, what is the value of BD? It is 8 root 2. Okay, now look at this. These are all small radius. These are all radiuses, right? These are all radiuses. R, here again R, here again R, here again R, here also R. Okay, so just hold on. Okay, so that is 8 root 2. We've got that already given to us. Now this is also R and this is also R. Now you will notice that this is a square. This is a square, right? Because you can see all the sides are equal to each other, right? What is AB? What is AB is equal to 2R, and all of them are all equal to 2R. So this is BD, okay, and the other one is going to be what is that? DC is equal to AD. Hence that is a square. Now let's start finding the side of the square. So how do we do? We have to do Pythagoras, of course. So that will be BD square is equal to BC square plus DC square. What is BD square? 8 root 2 whole square. What is BC square? That is 2R whole square plus 2R whole square, isn't it? This whole thing is R plus R, 2R and this is also 2r. Okay, so that is 8 8 is 64 into 2 is equal to 4r square plus 4r square. So that is 64 into 2 divided by 8 is equal to r square. So that is 8 8 is 64. So that is root over of 16 is equal to r, hence 4 is equal to r. Okay, the options are also down. Alright, the options are down there. Do not write in the options. So got r, right? We've got a r. So very simple. Now we will find the area of the square. So what is the area of the square? That is the side into the side. And what is the side? The side is 2r into 2r. So that is 2 2s are 4r square. And what is 4? What is r? R is again 4. So 4 into 4 square. 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. So the first one, area of the square is 64. So write A of S. Now let's find the area of these 4 corners. You see these 4 corners are making one whole circle. So you can find area of a whole circle. So area of the circle will be pi r square, that is pi 4 whole square, that is 16 pi. So how do you find the area of the shaded region? It will be area of the SH shaded region will be area of the square minus area of the circle. So area of S minus area of C, that will give you 64 minus 16 pi. So can you find 64 minus 16 pi? That is option B. Very, very simple question, students, but the questions are little bit tricky. Okay, but very, very simple questions in GMAT you will get. Okay, and I understand that it is very easy to crack the exam also. Okay, you shouldn't be having any difficult. So if you have any difficult and you are facing any type of problem, you can take enough help from Saurav sir's classes, because always the help that you need will be provided at Saurav sir's classes. So thank you for watching.